Ngihlangane noThabo nglawo ngithi uThabo umazi ngawo.
And then what did you do with Thabo? You ended up sleeping with him. Are you in love with him? This is what now. What did you start this man convention?
uThabo ngizalo. Wena awunawo lo ngavavumi. Unothando oluningi like umhleli la. Ngishephise ejezini, angikwazi nokususa yanginamathela. Ngidinga phela ukuthi nabo angitholi ngisho phuthane lodwa ujola wenza ilutho kumele unginyakazise phela noMthando. Ingakho ke mina ngikhetha umnyakazisa.
Owamnyakazisa.
Ngiyamnyakazisa.
Impintshaka. How long have you been sleeping with this guy?